Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at. This one, I think it's nice. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to take a look at an awesome watch face that I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now, you're going to be the judge of it at the end of the day, but also this watch face is affordable in the Gear Manager store. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Viper 36. The developer that made this watch face goes by the name of JMK32 Digital. Now, in always on mode, this watch face looks just as good off as it does on. Now, when it's on, you will get your day, your month, and your date at the top. Also, you're going to get digital time, along with the fact that you're going to get the best of both worlds, because you're going to get an analog clock as well. Now, I like the theme that's going on in the background. I think it pulls everything together so far as the watch face is concerned. But you also get plenty of shortcuts on both sides of the bezel. On the left-hand side, you can tap into your email, text messages, get your info on your calories burned. On the right hand side, you got weather, you can go into playing your music, and you can make a phone call. You also got battery percentage down at the bottom, along with the fact that you get what's most important to most people, and that's step info and heart rate. And the watch face is interactive, so if I tap on the email, it will take you in there with a single tap. I do like that one, and they all work, so no matter which one you want to go into, single tap is all you have to do. You cannot customize the color, but the color I think looks awesome. But again, at the end of the day, it's all on you. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that being said, if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And you know, at the end of the day, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.